Hey, this is Steve Numra in Chicago. Today I came to the property that I bought 3 months ago. This is a very nice, it was very nice condition, therefore this is a very cosmetic work. When I say cosmetic work, usually, what I'm saying is maybe budget is maybe 5%, 10% of the purchase price, and then finish within 2-3 months, okay? That's cosmetic work. Then what I'm gonna usually do is, of course, we're gonna paint the entire house, then wall, ceilings. Then if you look at the floor, if that's a hardwood floor, we're gonna sand and finish hardwood floor. And also look at the ceilings. Usually I'm gonna install the 6 or 4 can light in the living room, and also 1 ceiling fan light in the center. This is a basic stuff. Then I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make house looks much better, okay, with a very reasonable price. There's a 2 bedroom on the first floor. Okay, as usual, I'm gonna paint the entire walls and ceilings. And then this time, this ceiling is a little bit higher than usual. Therefore, usually I'm gonna install the mount lights, but this time I'm gonna install this kind of ceiling fan light. A little bit much nicer. And the kitchen is the most important part when we sell, when we rent. Right? This time, the kitchen cabinet was so good, okay, good condition. Therefore, I didn't touch anything. What I did is just to change this countertop. Countertop was mica, it was cheap one, therefore I changed to the granite countertop. And that's it. Then also, this is a big the refrigerator, therefore I used some space of the room. We made this kind of space and put it in this kind of space so that we can have more space in the kitchen itself. Okay, this is the second floor. Even myself, I feel completely different second floor because I think mainly because of the floor. As I said, floor we had a very old carpet. We took out old carpet and installed this kind of vinyl planks. Also, especially the color of the walls. If you look at the walls, of course we painted entire walls. Right now, maybe the nationwide, I think the same. The light blue, light gray, or light beige. This kind of color is very popular. This kind of light beige is very bright and give us a big difference. Even myself, as I say, I feel I'm in a different house, okay? That kind of feeling. Other than that, we didn't so much, but we gave a huge different feeling to the people. Just change the carpet to vinyl planks, also paint entire house with this kind of bright color. People has a different feeling toward this second floor. Of course, people don't know the past, but people has a very good feeling to see this kind of second floor.